To add and resize container columns in Card, you use the built-in container element with column layout settings. This allows you to create clean, structured layouts where content is arranged side by side instead of stacking vertically. Start by opening your Card dashboard and selecting the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to enter the visual builder where all design changes are made. Once inside the editor, click the Add Element button, usually shown as a plus icon. From the list of elements, choose Container. This creates a new content box where you can organize multiple elements together. After adding the container, open its Settings panel. Look for the option called Type. By default, a container is set to a standard stacked layout, but for columns you need to change this setting. Set the type to Columns. This immediately transforms the container into a multi-column layout, splitting it into 2 equal sections by default. If you need more columns, you can increase the number of columns in the same settings. Card allows you to create multiple columns, typically up to 5, depending on your layout needs. Once columns are enabled, you can resize them by adjusting their width distribution. This is useful when you want one column to be wider for text content and another to be narrower for images or buttons. The layout remains responsive, meaning it will automatically adjust for different screen sizes. Next, drag and drop elements into each column. You can place text blocks, images, buttons, forms, or any other supported element inside each column. This gives you full control over how content is arranged horizontally. To refine the design, go to the Appearance tab of the container. Here you can adjust spacing, padding, alignment, and mobile behavior. For example, you can control how the columns stack on smaller screens to ensure the design remains readable and user-friendly. You can also control alignment settings so that content inside each column stays visually balanced. This is important when working with text-heavy or image-heavy layouts. Once everything is set, preview your site to make sure the columns display correctly on both desktop and mobile views. Card automatically makes layouts responsive, but fine-tuning ensures a more polished design. And that's how you add and resize container columns in Card. Use a container, switch it to columns, adjust widths, place your elements, and refine the layout using appearance settings for a clean, smart design.